Hi friends, let's solve the exam question. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is simultaneous equation, but one is literally linear, the other one is quadratic. So we call m squared plus n squared equals 29. Let's call it equation 1. And m plus n equals 7. Let's call it equation 2. Then from 2, m is same thing as 7 minus n. We call it 3. We now use equation 3 in 1. Okay? So that would be m squared would be 7 minus n squared plus n squared equals 29. So the rest is algebra. So when you expand this, you will have 49 minus 14 plus n squared. Add this, n squared equals 29. So you have 49 minus 14n plus 2n squared equals 29. So this, I rearrange this to give me 2n squared minus 14n plus 49 minus 29 equals 0. So I will have 2n squared minus 14n plus 20 equals 0. Then I divide through by 2. Okay, because 2 can divide this time. So I will have n squared minus 14 minus 7n minus plus 10 equals 0. Okay, now we factorize that. To factorize this, we look at the quadratic term. The coefficient of the quadratic term is 1. We multiply by the constant 10. From there, from the product, we look for two numbers whose sum is minus 7n and product 10. So we have n minus n. 1 times 10 is 10. Because I have minus, let me consider negative factors. 10 divided by minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So that solves the problem. I'm now having n squared. Where I have minus 7 and I put minus 5 and minus 2n plus 10 equals 0. So I now factorize. I have n, considering these 2 times, the HCF is n. I have n, I have 5 here. Considering these 2 times, the HCF is 2. I have minus 2 into n minus 5 equals 0. So if I open a bracket, I get back this time, this is this times this is that, this, and this, that. So I'm having, again, between these 2 times, the HCF is n minus 5. So when you do that, you're having n minus 2 equals 0. So n equals 5 or 2. Now we go back to equation 3 and look for what m is when n is 5 and 2. So from equation 3, if n equals 5, n equals 7 minus 5, which is 2. And if n equals 2, m equals 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay? So we're having n equals 5, 2, m equals 2, 5. I hope this helps. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.